How to disable LastPass on certain websites. So first, you just simply need to log into your LastPass account. Then just simply navigate to all items so you will see all of the websites. Then just simply hover to that particular website, then click on launch. So once you're here on the login page of that website, you will see the LastPass icon here on the right side of the login interface. So you just simply need to click on that icon, then click on more options. And as you can see, there's an option to turn off LastPass for this particular website. So you just simply need to click on that. And you can just either pause for this visit, so LastPass will only be disabled on this time of your visit, or you could just simply turn it off completely by clicking on the turn off for this site option. So if you want to turn it off completely, just click on this option and you will need to confirm it just by clicking on the turn off option right there. And as you can see, the LastPass is turned off for this site. So you can just simply turn it back on in the extension anytime. And that is how you basically disable LastPass on certain sites.